Hi everyone, this is about from Raytime Machinery. Now we are testing the water expansion machine. So on the stainless steel tube, the tube size is 15.88. This is a water pressure expansion machine. Now let us take a look at this machine.
Our hydraulic expansion equipment by water with model HES80. The heat exchanger product is with stainless steel tube. The tube size in video is 15.88, wall thickness is 0.8 mm and 12.7, wall thickness 0.7 mm. Different pipes can be used by changing the expansion clamper by different pressure. The straight tube and hairpin tube can be both expansion. The maximum pressure of this equipment can reach 80 MPa. The working pressure of 18.088 size